traveled by the multitude.
Public Enemy #1.
Show what you got. Show what you got. Show what you got.
Public Enemy #1.
The same guys that gave wisdom to Franken's God.
Public Enemy.
Show what you got.
Public Enemy.
Show what you got.
Public Enemy
The same
#1.
guys that gave wisdom to Adam Clayton Powell. Show what you got.
Public Enemy.
Show what you got.
Public Enemy #1.
The same guys that gave wisdom to Stephen Biko. Show what you got.
Public Enemy.
The same guys that gave wisdom to Rosa Parks. Show what you got.
Public Enemy #1.
And strength to Martin Luther King, to Malcolm X.
Public Enemy
Show what you got.
Public Enemy #1.
The same guys that gave wisdom to Nelson Mandela. The same guys.
Public Enemy.
Show what you got.
Public
The same guys that gave wisdom to Whitney Young. They strong, sister.
Public Enemy.
Show what you got. Show what you got. Show what you got. Brothers and sisters, please join with me to welcome and listen good.
Public Enemy #1.
Now who got the flame that come to dime a dozen that keeps them buzzing, thinking that they fat when they bustin'? Welcome to the world of Mac or Mac. You small that same thing. You don't see like Paxson. I'm incredible, baby. It's the best one. Cause I does what I do. I fake the roof off a soft sucker, super smack at night in full effect. Mic check 1, 2. I'm a rain forever. Rain like bad weather. Rain like whoever never. You can't bite my style, cause my style ain't a style that is a style, so I can go buck wild. Bet you figure you got more funk for flow, it ain't so. Flavor in your ear, let you know. Now I'm about a second from the hook, look, strap your back hook. Before you get your wet style shook, can I get down? Get on down. Can I get down? Get down. Get on down. Can I get down? Can I get down? Get on down. Max like Super N10. Burning MCs needs a found scent. See, I'm like what you call king of yes, y'all. My style Rick sick, I mean real sick. Shit's this, I come with the hammer. The real whammer, slam on stuff that I become. And all with the quick, let's warm up the hot. I'm changing fate from the neck down the casket. My rap does the area. Shake your ass till it's late. You stomp my dominate. See, I ain't scared. To me, you all suckers. 'Cause I make the buck. Take it down, try the buck. You go with the proof. No proof on the roof. Biting like a saber. Can I get down? I pound on the ground when I get down. So let me get down. Let me get down. Can I get down? Get down. Get on down. Can you get down? Can I get down? Get on down. Get on down. Can I get down? Can I get down? Get on down. Can I get down? Can I get down? Here we go. Get on down. Can I get down? Can leap a tall building, crush the earth for fun. But I'm saying ain't no fair, yo, when them ain't no fair. The mic's now in the right hands, cause the max on the earth just to spoil your plans. More pep than the pepper that's in your pepper shaker. Earthquake, I couldn't take me if the mama make it. I back up the funk that I bring with unknown to man slang with bigger bite than the devil fan. I ain't met who can hack. If you're testing in your lesson, got me dressing for your tune session. Man, it won't even matter no more. Dragging out for just wonderful. My style will definitely take you over. How you sitting looking over than the Ford or Chevy Nova? Why I order? Smack it down. I figure it's a slaughter in the world of dollars. This shit ain't nothing but a quarter. The name of the track is Get Down, so let me get down and pound up the MCs in the ground. Can I get down?